Hello everybody, welcome back to Off the Beaten Track Canada. I'm on a 2-week vacation in the Rocky Mountains. If you haven't been here before, I do trails, trail runs, how-to videos. Yeah, so keep watching and I hope you enjoy the video. So I've tidied the camp up a little bit, ready for the day. Just keeping honest people honest. We'll come back later after the day's run and we'll get some food down us. So we're just leaving our first campsite, heading for our second one on our trip, our 2-week trip in the mountains. Elliot's leading, and my door's not shut right. Let's see where it takes us now. We'll probably set up camp and go on another little trail run. Might have to nurse the Jeep a little bit because Elliot's control arms, although welded, he's not sure it's going to be as good. See. Catch you in a bit. So we're on Highway 11 heading towards Golden for our next spot, but the BC wildfires is causing havoc for the air quality. There should be beautiful scenery around here, but it's all smoke. You can hardly see the nearest hill, mountain. It's just the trees. Even the trees in front of us, 200 metres away, is starting to become hazy. So look at some of these sights you should see. Hopefully you might be able to see some of it. But yeah, it's just all smoke. We're just trying to find a camp spot for three vehicles, 3 trailers, because the wreck sites we've visited so far are all been really busy. So we're hoping we're going to try and get up to the peak of this mountain or this hill feature along these tracks and hope we can find somewhere to camp. And if we do, then that'll be the place to set up base camp for a couple of days. We're going to meet Brian as well. Yeah, he's on the way. And he's got his Princess Palace with him. Oh, it says teardrop trailer, but looks of it looks like brand new to him. Hopefully we'll find somewhere so we can all stay. Keep posted. Well, looks like we found camp for the night. We just found a clearing in the woods in BC, just up from Golden. Elliot's just going to manoeuvre now, spin round. That's the beauty about the tents, we can pitch up anywhere. Once we're set up, have some dinner, then we'll go back into Golden and meet Brian and bring him up. Today we're going to water on camp. We've got a beautiful setting. We're at Munro Lake. It's absolutely stunning here in BC. The weather's great, a bit smoky from the wildfires. But yeah, well, there's mozzies are not here, but there's lots of horseflies buzzing around me right now. Let's have a walk around camp, come. So it's been pretty quiet, we get occasional visitors. Sounds like we've got visitors now, some guys on quads and bikes. So we're walking at camp. Let's go see Elliot, see what he's got set up. Morning Elliot, show what you got. Should we start around the trailer?
Sure.
So it's an M101 Canadian 2 Hiltish trailer, which has had a lot of modifications. Quite a few years ahead of me. How do you set up?
What do you want to know? We have the 270-degree awning, batwing awning, dual 5-pound propane tanks, custom aluminum fenders, 35-inch tires, wheels to match the Jeep. It's a Kadak Carry 2 camp chef, barbecue, scuttle, anything you want to cook.
This thing's amazing. There's all sorts. Not just a scuttle, there's a barbecue, there's normal cooking, there's everything.
Aluminum top. We have the ability to lift our rooftop tent another 8 inches if we have to. We added a tailgate into the M101 trailer. On the front,
you got the lights as well, all around.
Yeah, we did LED lighting all the way around it.
The funky party lights.
Oh, of course, gotta have party lights. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe not today. Ah, there we go.
Hey, there we go.
We got party lights. Of course, we put telescoping jacks. So we have 3 points of contact to the ground, keep everything stable.
You've extended the tongue on this, haven't you?
We've extended the tongue about 4 feet. We added an aluminum box on the front with charging ports. We added an oven and a stove. Hot water on demand system. Dual AGM batteries, which actually we're only running a single for right now.
Look at that shower. Shower and shower tent.
Shower tent. Another add-on.
Where's the shower tent from? What is that? Tough Stuff?
You know what? I don't even remember. What is it? Yeah, it's Tough Stuff. Tough Stuff shower tent.
We'll walk around the other side and see what's going on in the extended box.
Of course, we have water filtration for taking water out of a dugout or whatever. We can
pump straight from a bucket or a water source.
Yeah, so we can clean the water before we don't drink it, but use it for washing and stuff. You still want half clean water. Charging or shore port.
The solar power input. The little solar panel just to keep topped up.
Yep, solar panel to keep everything topped up. The other side of the box, we have a 600-watt inverter. The charging system for the solar water pump, the odds and ends. Of course, extra gas, extra water. And
what's this tent? Tree line.
It's a tree line Ponderosa. It's a queen size bed with an annex.
Really comfortable. It's similar to what I've got, but a little bit bigger than mine. Cool. Right, cool. Let's have a look at his Jeep. That's his setup. Let's go see what he's got under hood and around the vehicle. Done quite a bit of work on this Jeep.
Yeah, there's probably a lot more than I'll even remember to talk about. Of course, Fox reservoir, or piggyback shocks, rock crawler, upper and lower control arms. It's kind of a bastardized suspension system. Synergy 5.5-inch lift springs.
Some fresh welding.
A little bit of fresh welding. It's got an aux locker in the front. It's got the Terraflex heavy duty steering kit in it.
And that's a Dana 30, but you've trussed it. And
it's a Dana 30, it's been trussed, it's got 488 gears. It's actually, yeah, I know, it's like putting lipstick on a pig, but it's been really good so far. I have no complaints.
I think what's cool is the air system you've got in here.
Under the hood of the Jeep, yeah, we added an extra fuse block to run all of the electronics and stuff, the off-road lights, all the other shit. We added an onboard York air system, so it's a mechanically driven air system. It works really well. Dual batteries, and Oh shoot, I can't think of the name of the system.
Are the Odyssey? The yellow tops?
They're Optima batteries.
Optimus.
I was trying to think of the name of the dual battery kit.
Is that the Genesis?
Yeah, sorry, the Genesis dual battery kit. That's really, well, Canon air filter, that's really all that's been modified underneath the hood. It's got the awesome snap-on winch, which Snap-on, yeah. It's a kind of a knockoff Champion, but I'll tell you what, it's never failed me yet. It's got me out of some pretty sticky situations, and it was $400 from Costco. If it ever fails, I'll just take it back.
A few rigid lights around ditch lights and forward light.
All the lights, yeah, the rigid off-road lights, but all the rest of the lights, the factory lights, have been replaced with JW speaker, so they're ridiculously bright.
What's them rock rails you got there?
Oh shoot, I can't remember the name. I can't remember the company that I bought the rock rails from now. First Beaky Thompson Baja MTZ 35-inch tires.
Missing center cap.
Center cap lost somewhere in a mud puddle.
Mud hole on the left strip.
Yeah. On the back.
That tailgate.
The back of the Jeep is an LOD bumper and tailgate kit. It keeps keeps the back door and the tailgate together.
And you've built quite a setup in there.
Yeah, we built some shelving and a fridge slide in the back. It's a 55-liter Dometic fridge. Custom built. Oh yeah. Table. Fella named Dave out of Calgary. He's part of the Jeep Junkies. He custom builds those. And of course, rigid backup lights.
Nice, sweet ride. Cool. Thanks, Elliot.
You betcha.
So that was an awesome setup there. Let's have a look at my trailer. It doesn't compete with Elliot's. Mine, I'm a lot younger than his. I've been at this build probably a year and a half now. So we've got, the latest edition is the Tombox I've just put on. Aluminium Tombox. I did a solar panel. It's a 24 volt solar panel, which converts through the solar charger down to 12 volt. Up in the corner there. Added an isolator, a no-core Genesis to give me shore power. And I'm going to upgrade the battery. The battery's way too small at the moment. I'm going to lift that up. So I've got a solar coming in. Through this 12 volt, I'm charging my my Goal Zero battery system at the back. I told you I was fitting the Element fire extinguisher. Ended up screwing it to the lid. It's a great place to put it there. I'll keep it there. Let's show you the rest of it. So the tongue's pretty stock, apart from we put the jack on the side. We've flipped the axle. It's a £3,500 axle, but it's standard with it. But I've added Dexter hubs, so I can put the different rims on. I've got 35-inch tyres on now. We extended the fender out. Fortunately, from Elliot's vehicle, we had two of these, so we made this wider to fit the wheels. Added some 1-inch tubing just to tie it all in. Added a lid. One of the latest additions is the shelf I made, sitting on the back, and it's again an elevating or cantilever lifting platform to give me height for the annex of the tent. In transit, you just pull it down, it runs flat. Also, I've got the 5-pound tanks, propane tanks on the side, so I can remove them and use them at any time. Well, this one is off now. And down here, there's my kitchen setup. So there you see the Genesis jet ball setup. But I've ordered a jet ball, so I use the satellite cooker, my normal jet ball here. Running some lights inside, again from Goal Zero. My Goal Zero lithium 400 charges my gear up, my laptop, the GoPro. It's currently being charged by the solar panel, as we see. So there's ARB Zero fridge with custom slides. System we made before coming out here. Quite a big unit. This is the 47 litre version. Sorry Curtis, I pushed your slide. So the slides come apart here. Unfortunately we had the toolkit where we couldn't do a lot with the toolkit. So yeah, the Blue Ridge tool roll. Stack it up. These are actually Velcro. You can use the pouch as you need it. There you go, there's a tool pouch. And on mine I've got it coming up on the bottom so I can slide my tool roll in there. Put the jump leads on top. There we go, packed again. That's my setup, there's not a lot in there right at the moment. We're still building on it. But sticking around. Thanks for let's show look more around camp. Let's see this beautiful lake.